Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ActiveCampaign. First, you'll create your account and login. Then, personalize your settings by adding your company details and branding. After that, import your contacts, ensuring your data is clean and organized for a smooth transition. This initial setup is crucial for building a strong foundation. Next, let's create your first contact list. This helps you segment your audience effectively. Then, design an engaging opt-in form to capture new leads from your website. You can customize its appearance to match your brand. Finally, embed this form onto your site to start growing your audience immediately. Now, it's time to build your first automation. This allows you to send targeted emails automatically based on user actions. After that, design a compelling email campaign with a clear call to action. Ensure your content is engaging and valuable. Finally, schedule your campaign for optimal delivery times to maximize open rates. Finally, let's talk about tracking and optimizing your efforts. Monitor your campaign performance metrics, like open and click-through rates, to understand what's working. Analyze your automation success to identify areas for improvement. Use these insights to refine your strategies and continuously enhance your engagement and conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.